In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule an email within Gmail. So what you want to do is go ahead and open up your Gmail on your desktop, and we're going to compose a new email to schedule. So I'm just going to send this email to myself, give it a little subject, and then just write something in here. Then whenever I have got the email ready, waiting to schedule, what I want to do, down beside the send button, tap on the little arrow, and once you tap on the arrow you will see another option, which is schedule send. So in here you can schedule to send tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, or Monday morning. You can also schedule a specific time and date, which I'm going to do now. So we're going to schedule this, and that's scheduled. I'm going to hit the refresh button to see did it come through, and there you go. That's how easy it is to schedule an email within Gmail. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.